will always have a soft spot for my first venture into SFX makeup with my attempt at the Joker.
Hi, my name is Anna and I love dressing up for Halloween. Now, when it comes to special effects makeup, I'm not a professional. I'm completely self-taught, but that means that if I can do it, then you can too. I have to say that some of the products I will be using can be a little bit unpleasant if used incorrectly. So be super careful, because I speak from personal experience when I say that you do not want to lose an eyebrow to liquid latex. If you thought that charcoal face masks were bad, they have nothing on liquid latex. Over the next 6 weeks I will be recreating some of my favourite looks that I've done on myself and other people over my time at university, and there will be something a little bit gory, something a little bit glam, if not a little bit green. Hopefully there'll be something for everyone. So I think it's time to get started, and I hope that you enjoy.
I started by marking out where I wanted the deep wounds to be by using a blue eyeliner. I then used a white eyeliner pencil to mark out where the wrinkles would be. To do these, I scrunched up my forehead and filled in the deeper lines with the eyeliner pencil, also getting the deeper lines in between my eyebrows. I used the same eyeliner to mark out my smile lines. I used Mehron's rigid Collodion over the white eyeliner, allowing this to dry and building up a few coats. I then rolled my Ben 9 nose and scar wax in fair into two thin sausage-like shapes of a similar size to the blue markings on my face. A tip to do this without the wax sticking to your fingers is to powder your hands before you do this. I myself used Rimmel London Stay Matte powder in translucent, and it made it so much easier to work with. I used Mehron Spirit Gum to get the nose and scar wax to stick. To get this to work, apply it, allow it to dry for a moment, and then tap it until it becomes tacky before applying the wax. Once again, with powdered fingers, I blended out the wax. I did this until you couldn't see any seams between my skin and the wax for a smooth transition and more realistic looking wounds. Repeat this for the other side. I added a layer of cryolan liquid latex over this to reinforce the wax and to prevent it from breaking down and melting. Whilst this dried, I applied another layer of rigid collodion to deepen the scars and wrinkles. Then, very carefully, I took a pair of nail scissors and cut into the wax, shaping the wounds. Please be careful not to cut your skin. I was able to scrape out some of the wax from inside the wounds to hollow out the skin, creating deeper, more textured cuts. Make sure that the seams of the cuts are not neat and that the skin seems jagged. I added another layer of liquid latex once I was happy with the shape, to set the wax once more. It will still be mouldable, however it will stop the wax from completely melting and will stop it from sticking to everything when we start applying colour. Once this had dried, I painted my whole face using the Snazaroo face paint in white. Going in with Magnet from the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette and a nose shading brush, I shaded where I had previously applied the rigid Collodion on my forehead and in between my eyebrows. I blended this out the best I could. Using a fluffy blending brush and the same shade, I contoured my cheekbones and along my jawline. I took the brown from Mehron's bruise wheel and filled in the entirety of the open wounds, ensuring to get the flaps of skin as well. I then took the darkest colour and coloured directly down the centre of the wounds, creating depth. I then took the red and added this to the outer sections of the wounds. I dipped back into the darkest colour to add detail, extending the cuts in sections and bringing the scabs and wounds onto my lips, as I decided that this is what I would use for lipstick rather than paint. I took the shade Blackjack from the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette and spread this around my eyes. I used a brush at first, however quickly gave up on this idea and started using my fingers. I took the Snazaroo face paint in green on a paintbrush and filled in my eyebrows. It doesn't matter if this is messy. I took a Snazaroo face paint in black on my fingers and didn't wet it and smeared it around my eyelids to deepen the intensity of the black. I took Mehron's fake blood and applied it all over the lips and into the open wounds, stripping it down the edges of some of the jagged bits of skin. After this, all that was left was to green up my hair with the Party Success hair colour spray, and I was done. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. There'll be a link to all my social media below, along with a list of all the products used in today's video. Join me next Thursday at 7 PM when I'll be transforming myself into a reanimated corpse.